Children, in this video we are going to learn about oxidation reactions of alcohol. Primary alcohol you take. What is meant by a primary alcohol? Carbon with a OH group, functional group attached to one more carbon atom. So primary CH3, CH2, OH in the presence of an oxidizing agent sodium dichromate. Acidified sodium dichromate, primary alcohol converted to an aldehyde group, that is CH3CHO, ethanol. Then this once more oxidized with sodium dichromate, ethanoic acid, CH3COOH. So primary alcohol oxidized to the aldehyde group, then to the acid group. Now take a secondary alcohol. Three carbon atoms, prop 2-ol, propan 2-ol, acidified sodium dichromate. Secondary alcohol always oxidized to ketone. So CH3, C double bond O. This hydrogen is removed. C double bond O, acetone. And this is once more oxidized with sodium dichromate, Na2Cr2O7. It is converted to an acid, CH3COOH. Tertiary alcohol do not undergo oxidation reaction at normal temperature, but at elevated temperature, very high temperatures, with the help of the stronger oxidizing agent, cleavage of C single bond C takes place to give a mixture of carboxylic acid. Tertiary alcohol, no reaction at ordinary temperatures. Now, to stop the oxidation reaction at the aldehyde or ketone stage, we are using one more oxidizing agent called pyridinium chlorochromate, PCC. That is, for example, take propan 1-ol, pyridinium chlorochromate. So what we are getting? An aldehyde group, propanol. To stop the reaction at this stage, we are using pyridinium chlorochromate. This is one type of normal oxidation reaction. Next, another one, Swan oxidation. Swan oxidation. In this method, dimethyl sulfoxide is used as an oxidizing agent, dimethyl sulfoxide, which converts the alcohols to aldehydes or ketones. So the alcohol CH3, secondary alcohol is taken, CH3CHOH, CH3 propan 2-ol, in the presence of dimethyl CH3 dimethyl sulfoxide, S double bond O, dimethyl sulfoxide, DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide, with oxalyl chloride. Oxalic acid formula COOH, COOH. Here instead of OH, Cl is replaced. It's called oxalyl chloride. That is C double bond O, Cl. Similarly, another one, C double bond O, Cl. Oxalyl chloride. In the presence of triethylamine. So we are getting, similarly here, this H2 removed. So we are getting CH3C double bond O, CH3. That is acetone, common name. IUPAC name is propanone, plus dimethyl sulfide plus carbon dioxide plus carbon monoxide plus HCl. Such a large products we are getting. Propanone, dimethyl sulfur, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, HCl. This is called a Swan oxidation. This is one of the oxidation reactions. Next, one more oxidation reaction is taken place, that is called biological oxidation in the presence of an enzyme. biological oxidation. Ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. See, that is the fermentation of food consumed by an animal produces alcohol. Fermentation means breaking the bigger compounds into smaller compounds. So to detoxify the alcohol, the liver produces an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase. Alcohol dehydrogenase. Alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. Alcohol dehydrogenase in the presence of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide present in the animals act as an oxidizing agent. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide present in the animals adenine dinucleotide. This is one of the oxidizing agent present in the animals, act as an oxidizing agent, and ADH catalysis, this act as a catalyst. Alcohol dehydrogenase. So what happens? Here we are getting an aldehyde, ethanol plus NADH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, hydrogen plus one hydrogen is removed out. This used as an oxidizing agent, this used as a catalyst which speeds up the reaction. This is one of the oxidation. Another oxidation is very familiar, that is catalytic dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst. For example, primary alcohol in the presence of copper 573 Kelvin. Here one hydrogen removed, HH removed. So we are getting CH3CHO acetaldehyde or ethanol. Similarly, secondary alcohol CH3CHOH, CH3 copper 573 Kelvin. Here also one hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen is removed. So we are getting a ketone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Acetone, that is propanone. But tertiary alcohols, when heated at copper 573 Kelvin, no hydrogen is removed. Here water molecule removed, that is here one OH, and from any one of the three alkyl groups hydrogen is removed. So what is the product? CH3, C double bond CH2, 2-methylpropanone. This is one of the oxidation reaction. Next, one more small reaction, esterification reaction. Ester is formed. For example, alcohol CH3CH2OH in the presence of an acid, ethanoic acid CH3COOH. In the presence of an acid, water molecule removed, OHH removed. So we are getting CH3CO CH2, CH3, ethyl ethanoate. Since an ester is formed, this reaction is called as an esterification reaction.